Major League Baseball NFTs are finally here. Is this the next multi-million-dollar NFT market? In this video, we're going to go over what the MLB NFTs are, go over the differences between the individual cards, the marketplace where you can buy and sell the cards, today's NFT drop, and then finally stay to the end of the video to see me open up over $200 in NFT packs. So Topps MLB has officially announced that they're going to be releasing NFT baseball cards. All these are digital representation of the physical baseball cards. In order for people to get these digital baseball cards, they're going to be able to buy 50,000 of the standard packs for $5 and then 24,000 premium packs for around $100. All these packs are going to have different cards with different varieties, from common cards, rare. The prices are going to be all over the place as people discover how valuable these actually are. And MLB and Topps is clearly taking advantage of the current NFT boom and the sports card market boom. For example, there was an NFT sold for $69 million in March, and then the trend of the sports trading card market is expected to grow to around $98 billion by 2027. Another example is in August of 2020, there was a Mike Trout rookie card sold for nearly $4 million. So it's going to be pretty wild to see where baseball NFT cards go. And for reference, MLB has competition from NBA Top Shots. Top Shots was released around end of November, December, something like that. And in February, there was a NBA Top Shot moment of LeBron James sold for more than $200,000. So let's see where the Mike Trout MLB NFT cards go for. All right, now let's look at the actual NFTs and go over just a quick overview of the market and then the individual cards. So this is the official launch site of the MLB Topps NFTs. If you want to go to the marketplace, you can click here and it'll take you to this listing. There's going to be different NFT series. MLB is just one. They have Garbage Pail Kids, Godzilla, and even Street Fighter. So as you can see, you can look at the individual cards. So if you own any, you can list yours for sale. Or if you want to buy some, like this Mike Trout card. If you look closely at the cards, there's going to be the serial number here, the actual card itself, what series it's from, the player's name or the series name, and then how much it's going for. The price here on the left is 215 wax. Wax is just a cryptocurrency for the Wax blockchain, which is what this NFT is built on. And then there's also how much it is in dollars. There's also going to be the ability to buy packs. So the problem with these NFT releases is they're in such high demand that it's almost impossible to get these packs. So people will sell them on the secondary market. So as you can see here, the standard pack from the earlier article was selling for $5 and people are selling it for $65. The premium pack was selling for $100. And here on the secondary market, they're selling for nearly double. So if you want to look at an individual card, just click on details and it'll take you here. So let's quickly go over this card. So here's going to be the NFT's name, which is Mike Trout. And then you have the owner. This is going to be your wallet. And then the most important thing you want to pay attention to for these sports cards specifically is the serial number. So the general rule of thumb is the lower, the better. Like if you have 1 out of 5,000, that's going to be the best one, and they're going to sell for a premium. So when you look and see in the marketplace, like there's going to be a bunch of different Mike Trouts, but what separates them is the serial number. So the serial number here is 2,765. So this is going to sell much lower than the serial number of 12. So this is really, really good. So you see the huge price difference. This one's selling for $50, and then this one's selling for $900. And then going back to the individual card, it's going to show you what series it's from. So the packs that were released today were Series 1. And then you can see here you can buy it for $66. And so the cool thing about this marketplace is you're going to be able to see the price history for all these individual NFTs. So this price chart is going to show you all the sales for all the Mike Trout cards regardless of the serial number. So you'll be able to get like a general average. I mean, obviously the ranges could go from as low as $10 up to $10,000 for the serial number 1. And you can see yesterday there was 107 sales. And then here today, during the most hyped day, which was release day, there was 424 sales for this individual NFT. Actual sale of these MLB NFTs was actually this morning scheduled to be around 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern time. And you were supposed to be able to buy these standard packs for $5, premium packs for $99. I participated in some NBA Top Shots, and basically they instantly sell out, or it's really hard to get because there's like 300,000 people trying to buy just 20,000 packs. So I figured it'd be just the same. And this morning, what do you know, they actually delayed it from 1 p.m. Eastern to 1:30 p.m. Eastern because nothing would load. You would just see a blank screen like this. You wouldn't be able to check out. You see this error here where they couldn't even get any of the information or the data of the packs. And then, you're supposed to be able to see this, but every time you would refresh, it would just load here. And so they pushed it back by 30 minutes. So for me, when I was trying to check out, you just keep trying to buy these things and it would just continually to air out. There's people posting like pricing errors right here and things like that. But eventually I was able to get some packs. It was a really horrible experience because there's just error after error after error. And then in the end, I was able to get 2 premium packs and then 2 standard packs. I thought this was my only order, but in the end, I actually ended up spending, on accident, $400 because I kept clicking checkout and eventually my another order and another browser checked out. Luckily for me though, one of my friends was actually trying to buy these premium packs and the standard packs, but he couldn't check out. It basically sold out and he kept getting errors. So I was able to sell him the other 2 premium packs. So in the end, I only spent around $220. And you can see here, I was able to transfer from this Atomic Hub from my wallet to his wallet. So it was a unique learning experience trying to figure out how to send from your wallet to another person. We actually did a test send where I sent him the standard pack because those packs were only $5, and if I lost it, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. And then I told him to just send it back as a test. And then after we figured out how it worked, I was able to send him the 2 premium packs and then got my money back from him. Luckily, good luck on his pulls. Hopefully he pulls like number 1 Mike Trout, or we're Padres fans, so Tatis Jr. number 1. All right, let's now change gears. I'm going to show you a really cool site that'll show you the overall sales for NBA and MLB NFTs, and then also the individual sales. And then after that, we'll do a quick pack opening. So now here we're at Crypto Slam. This is a really awesome site because it'll show you the total sales volumes for whatever NFTs you're looking at. In this case, this is going to be the baseball one. Right now, there's already 522,000 sales, and this only just released a few hours ago. It's going to show you the total number of buyers, sellers, and then mints. So mints is just how many baseball NFTs that they created in that day. And then you can see the live sales. You can see the packs are being sold for $18, which people were able to buy for $5. You can see the premium packs, which I bought for $100 each. People are buying and selling them for around $200. So this is a really useful site for you to just track to see and get an overall feel of the general market for the NFTs. All right, let's get into what you guys have all been waiting for, the pack openings. So today, MLB, again, they sold 2 different packs, the standard pack and then the premium pack. The standard packs were $5, and then it contained 6 of the digital cards, and the premium packs were $100 and contained 45 of the cards. But the biggest difference between the 2 packs is the amount of rare cards in each one. So each of the packs will have common cards, uncommon cards, rare, super rare, and epic. So we're aiming for the epic and the super rare here. And then for the premium packs, we would be aiming for the epic, epic exclusive, and the legendaries, because those are going to be significantly hard to get, therefore they're going to be worth way more. Okay, let's dive into the first pack opening. So you're going to click open packs, and then it's going to lead you to this screen, and then you're going to be able to see the packs. So this is the first standard pack with 6 cards. We have Evan Longoria, common, Max Fried, common, Avisail Garcia, uncommon, Walk-Off Park, common, Joe Adele, common, and Luis Garcia. So as you can see, we didn't get any kind of rares or epics, and that's generally what's going to happen. It's basically like gambling when you're opening up the physical packs. Let's open up the second standard pack. Click this play button and the pack will open, and it'll show you your 6 cards here. The first card is a Get Up, common. Next card is a Randy Dobnak, common, Wilson Contreras, uncommon, Carter Kieboom, common, Chicago White Sox, common, and then a Ronald Guzman, common. Alright, here's the premium pack to open. There's going to be 45 digital cards in here. So what I'm aiming for is a Tatis Jr. card because I'm a Padres fan, or Mike Trout, or possibly a Acuna Jr. card. Alright, seems like the rarities are going to start from common, and they're probably going to get rare towards the bottom. So let's just look for, here's a Mookie Betts, post-game hand wash. This is a kind of weird card. Matthew Boyd, Jay Bruce, Cody Whitley, Buck Farmer, Colorado Rockies, Garrett Cole, Paul DeJong, Albert Abreu. So this card here might be worth a lot because it has RC, which means rookie card, and generally rookie cards are more sought after within the sports card community. Here's Daniel Murphy. Oh wait, Humberto Mejia is also a rookie card. Didn't notice that earlier. Nick Senzel, common. David Bote, common. Another hand wash card. Joey Wendell, JD Davis, Tim Anderson, Raisel Iglesias, Luis Robert, Matt Schumacher, Mitch White, Ian Kennedy, Wilson Ramos, Oliver Perez, Mike Minor, Brendan McKay, Mookie Betts, Mike Muncy, Louis Brinson, Marco Gonzalez, and then you can see the cards here are starting to shine, so these are probably like the holographic equivalents from Pokemon, so I'm guessing all the rare cards are down here. So the first card we have down here is Edward Alvarez, which is a rookie card, Juan Soto, uncommon, Will Smith, rare, Joey Votto, rare, Ryan Yarbrough, rare, Harrison Bader, rare, Gio Urshela, rare, and then down here, the last row of cards, we have a Garrett Cole, super rare, Matthew Boyd, common, Zach Britton, epic exclusive, Matt Muncy, epic exclusive, and the Kevin Kiermaier, common. So I'm curious what these epic exclusive cards are going to be worth because they're probably less than 100 made. Alright, since we haven't gotten any of the players that I wanted, Tatis Jr., Mike Trout, and Acuna, let's finally open up the last pack. No luck so far, but let's hope to get at least some Padres players. Here's the last pack. We'll start all the way from the top. We got a Roman Quinn, common, Tony Gonsolin, common, Cody Bellinger, common, Rougned Odor, Elbows Only Angels card, Chris Taylor, common, Nick Senzel, common. You got a Nolan Arenado, common. I see some Padres player down below. This is Trent Grisham, so that's our first Padres card, so I'm pretty excited about that. We've got Freddie Galvis, common, Charlie Blackmon, common, Wilson Contreras, common, Hunter Renfroe, common, former Padre. We got a Ahmed Rosario, common, Slam Diego, common, so I'm pretty excited about this card. Isaac Paredes, common, Keibert Ruiz, common, a Get Up Mets card, a Los Angeles Dodgers, common. I'm going to sell this because I don't like the Dodgers. Oh, here's another Padres card, Garrett Richards, common, Brady Singer, common, Buster Posey, common, Julio Urias, common, Garrett Cole, common, another Buster Posey, common. And down below we have a Brendan McKay, so the borders are starting to change. Seems like the general thing is just the regular base cards, and then we have some golds here, gold borders. Brendan McKay, common, Trent Grisham, uncommon. Here's another Padres player. Oliver Perez, uncommon, Jose Arena, uncommon. And then down below we have Eduardo Rodriguez, uncommon, Robbie Ray, uncommon, Garrett Cole, uncommon, Jonathan Daza, common, Brendan McKay, uncommon, Dalton Varsho, uncommon, and then here's our first rare with a Nick Heath. And down below we can see the borders here are starting to glow, so this is where all the good stuff's going to be. Alright, with our first rare down in this row is a Brandon Workman, a Monty Harrison rookie card rare, Wilmer Flores rare, Juan Soto rare, and then this is my first super rare, a Sixto Sanchez rookie card. So this card might be worth a couple $100, I'm not sure. Here's a Eddie Alvarez common, Kyle Seager exclusive, and then we have one more row. Let's hope for a Tatis Jr. or a Mike Trout card. Alright, and here we have a Ronald Acuna Jr. epic exclusive card. This card, I'm guessing, is going to be at least $1,000, which is insane for, this isn't even a physical card. And then the last card is Yu Darvish. Unfortunately, in a Cubs uniform, he's actually on the Padres now, so I'm wondering why he's not on a Padres uniform. So I'm super excited about the Sixto Sanchez super rare because it's a rookie card, and this Ronald Acuna Jr. card because I'm pretty sure it's going to get me at least $1,000 if I sell it today. So my overall strategy is going to be to just get my initial investment back, which is about $220 for the 2 premium packs and the 2 standard packs. So and the hype is going to be the highest, so I'm going to try to offload some cards that I don't really care about just to get my money back, and then be able to sell some other cards to be able to collect Padres cards, especially the Tatis Jr. card. So I've been playing with NBA Top Shots for about 2 months now, and the market's kind of been all over the place. So I'm assuming that MLB will pretty much follow the same path where the hype starts to build up and then the cards start to go exponential. So my goal is to, again, get my money back, because we don't know what's going to happen with this market. We don't know if the cards are going to spike up to each $10. I mean, we can go back and look at the market. So previously when we were looking at it, it was $641,000. And if I refresh, maybe it's going to be over $1 million. So today's sales volume, yep, it hit over $1 million, and it's only been a few hours since MLB NFTs have even been out. And you can see the standard pack price, which I bought for $5, is now going for $32. The hype is starting to build in. The FOMO is starting to happen because people realize they can't get these packs. There was only like less than 50,000 packs total, and there's probably, you know, at least 120,000 people trying to buy the same things. With the sales of these MLB NFTs reaching over $1 million in just one day, it might be very enticing for people to dive in. However, I think for NFTs, it's still super speculative, and if you buy on the secondary market, you're likely to lose money. So your best bet, at least for my strategy, is to just be able to just buy the packs, because you're paying, you know, $5 or $100, and then the expected value of the individual cards is likely going to be beyond that because there's just so much demand. However, this isn't any kind of investing advice. Do your own research. Based on my experience with NBA Top Shots, the market is on a significant downturn after all the hype from November through February, and then there's big crashes in certain sets within the card. I think MLB NFTs will follow the same trend. However, I'm just going to try to get my money back and then let the rest of the cards ride the waves. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week.